everybody, and today I am going to be playing Roblox High School, but I'm going to be showing y'all secret rooms in this game. So to do all of this, you have to have the astral cloak. So it's like a cape. So the first one is in the cafeteria, and look, you can also fly. I don't know if I can fly in here, but you can also fly with it. So it's in the cafeteria. So, like I said, you have to have the astral cloak to be able to get in. But haven't you wondered what's in the employees only room? Now you can figure out. So get into first person view, and then just click on the door, and you're inside. And there should be just a bunch of KFC posters everywhere for some reason. And then it's just this. It says, "You have been spooked by the trumpet skeleton. Say, Mr. Skeleto, keep your calcium." And I've already done that. I've already told Mr. Skeleto. Sorry, so I will be keeping my calcium. So, okay. So the next secret room is also another one that you... Principal, just hit some chin. Anyway, the next one is up here. Right here. Ever wondered what's in here? Never gonna figure out. So we get into first person. I haven't been into this one yet, so I'm kind of excited. Whoa. Hello. What is... If more... Whoa! What just happened, y'all? What has happened? Oh my gosh! That's crazy! That's just crazy! Well, since we're here, there's another one back here in this corner. Well, okay, this one is kind of weird because now I have this one as one of my hideouts because in my games I always have a hideout. So like if I have my friends or something. Okay, so there's this. See this? See? Little kind of crack right there. We're gonna figure out what's in it. Haven't been in this one either. Well, actually I have, but not in a long time. Oh yeah, I forgot to get in first person. Whoops. This dude, what do you think you're doing? You're in my video. Okay. So look, see, it's a little... Now this one is like probably my favorite because it's just like a little meeting place. See, you can have meetings and stuff. Let's go back. Let's go back outside. Out there. Come on. And close. Oh yeah, and look, with this you can also fly. Look, see? Whoa, my screen just... Okay. So, the next one... Hold on. Now we're going to go back... Here, I'm just going to reset. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, the next one... Oh, this music is getting on my nerves. Okay. Be right back. I don't care. I mean, okay. Thanks for telling me. Okay, so now the next one, we're going to try the, this one again. And hopefully it is not crazy again, so. There we go. Okay. So you go down the pipe, and you end up here. Mad music. Maddie? No way. That's Maddie. Okay, hold on. Make sure I remember who she is. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yes. Yep. Yep, that's her. How did you move to this island? Dark magic, honestly. You're better off not knowing that stuff. Forget that I ever said that. Are you lonely up here? Nah, I like it up here alone. I can finally listen to my music in peace. Though seeing visitors like you once in a while is a pleasant surprise. Thanks for stopping by. Okay. Wait. I want to see if I can buy some. No, we can't sell CDs anymore. We're required to. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just go. Goodbye. And now there's one more. This is the last one. This one is it's in the library. This one it's not like cool stuff inside, but it's just like a little room. So let me get into first person. Okay. Okay, so this last one is, oh, it's right here by it. Cool. Okay, so this last one is in here in the library. I've always thought there is something suspicious about this librarian. So you just go right here in front of her, get into first person, just go right here, and then just see, it's just this room. Nothing, like special or anything. Oh, wait. Not even, wait. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. It's just a little room. I'm gonna reset. Oof. Okay. Please donate. We'll dance for 4 Robux. Oh, that's funny. Hey, I like your outfit. Okay. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, leave a like. Leave a like if you liked this video, and leave a like if you want me to find more like secrets and stuff in games, and I will totally do that. It is so entertaining for me. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.